If I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. If I had a pony, I would ride him on my boat. And we would all together go out on the ocean, me upon my pony on my boat. And if I were Roy Rogers, I'd sure enough be single. Couldn't bring myself to marry an old Dale. There'd just be me and Trigger, we'd go riding through them movies, by a boat and out to sea we'd sail. And if I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. If I had a pony, I would ride him on my boat. And we would all together go out on the ocean, me upon my pony on my boat. Well, the mystery masked man, he was smart, got himself a Tonto. Tonto does the dirty work for free. But Tonto, he was smarter, and one day said, Kemosabe, you can kiss my ass, I've bought a boat, I'm going out to sea. And if I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. If I had a pony, I would ride him on my boat. And we would all together go out on the ocean, me upon my pony on my boat. And if I were like lightning, wouldn't need no sneakers, come and go exactly as I would please. And I'd scare them by the shady tree, I would scare them by the light pole, would not scare my pony on my boat out on the seas. And if I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. If I had a pony, I would ride him on my boat. And we would all together go out on the ocean, me upon my pony on my boat. And if I had a boat, I'd go out on the ocean. If I had a pony, I would ride him on my boat. Hey, and we would all together go out on the ocean. There'd be me upon my pony, on my boat out on the sea.